Your next car could be the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed midsize pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers. Feel the adrenaline of adventure when you're on the trail in this Gladiator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.